Have you ever wondered how much power each of us holds within ourselves to transform the world? It's a thought that may not cross your mind daily, yet it's a reality that resides within each of us. This is not about possessing supernatural abilities or magic. It's about the innate power we all carry within us. This power is often overlooked, sometimes even dismissed as ordinary or insignificant. But let's pause and reconsider. Every thought, every action, every decision we make carries the potential to enact change, to shape the world in ways both big and small. You don't have to be an influential leader or a celebrated genius to make a difference. You, in your own unique way, with your own distinct strengths, can inspire, can innovate, can influence. It's about recognizing and harnessing this inner power, this inherent potential. Each one of us has the potential to leave a significant impact on the world. Opening. Consider the story of an ordinary individual who achieved extraordinary things. In the heart of a bustling city there lived a person of no particular prominence or extraordinary ability, who blended into the crowd, unnoticed and unremarkable. They could have been your neighbor, your colleague, even a passerby on the street. They were just like you and me. This individual, despite their ordinariness, possessed a unique power, a power not visible to the naked eye, but deeply ingrained within their spirit. This was the power of determination, resilience, and creativity. They were not armed with wealth or high-tech resources or even a magic wand. Yet they had something more potent, a vision for change and the will to make it happen. The person saw things differently. Where others saw problems, they saw opportunities. Where others saw barriers, they saw challenges to overcome. Where others saw the world as it was, they saw it as it could be. They did not accept the status quo. Instead, they sought to transform it. Using their inner power, they began to make small changes in their community. They helped those in need, not with grand gestures, but with acts of kindness that were within their reach. They stood up against injustice, not with violence, but with the courage of their convictions. They inspired others, not with eloquent speeches, but with their actions. Their journey was not easy. They faced numerous obstacles, endured setbacks, and even doubted their abilities. But they never lost their resolve. They remained steadfast, drawing upon their inner strength to keep moving forward. Every step they took, no matter how small, brought them closer to their goal. Their story is a testament to the power of the human spirit. They did not need magic to change the world. All they needed was within them. They were an ordinary individual who did extraordinary things. Their name may be unknown, their face may be unfamiliar, but their impact is undeniable. Closing. Despite being an average person, this individual was able to make a powerful impact, proving that the power to change the world lies within us. To unleash your inner power, you must first understand your unique personal brand. In this grand tapestry of life, each one of us carries a distinctive thread, woven with our strengths, passions, and values. This thread, my friends, is our personal brand. It is the essence of who we are and what we bring to the world. It is our unique DNA, an intimate understanding of which is crucial to our journey. Imagine harnessing this understanding. Imagine using your strengths not as mere tools, but as powerful catalysts of change. Imagine your passions igniting the spark that lights up the world. Imagine your values standing tall as beacons, guiding you towards your true north. Staying true to ourselves, leveraging our personal strengths, we have the capacity to make a difference. We have the capacity to transform the world, not with magic, but with the power that lies within us. Your personal brand is your unique power. Embrace it, and you can change the world. We all have the power to imagine better. This isn't just a statement. It's a reality we often overlook. The power of imagination is a potent tool that we carry within us, a tool that can shape and transform the world around us. Imagination isn't just about dreaming of far-off lands or whimsical fantasies. It's about envisioning a world that's better, kinder, and fairer than the one we live in today. It's about seeing the possibility of change and innovation and having the courage to act on that vision. Imagine a world where every child has access to quality education, where clean water is not a luxury, but a basic right, where everyone is treated with respect and dignity. This world may not exist today, but through the power of our imagination, we can inspire action. We can instigate change, and we can make this dream a reality. So, believe in your power, imagine better, and you will have the ability to transform the world.